Here we are now doing a product unboxing for an optional accessory, the Honda BRV armrest. This armrest can be securely installed onto the cup holder on the mid part of the vehicle. Aside from Honda BRV, this can also be used on other Honda models such as the Mobilia. As for the product packaging, it is packaged well and have enough bubble wrapping all over it. Inside the box looks okay with enough security of the item through these fusions. Now let's see what's inside. There is the what looks like the base plate, and there is the what seems like to be the base as well, where you put this as an anchor on the cup holder area. Now let's go to the main part, the armrest. It has the USB slots on this side. This looks like the cup holder and an ashtray as well. Now let's check more accessories. There are the screws to fully secure all the parts. And this one is indeed the base plate, which the armrest will sit on top of this. And yes, this one will go to the cup holder area. The underneath of the armrest is staggered edges, which seem to be they can be adjustable. At the front are the USB slots, and I think one of them needs to be connected to the power supply. So now let's try to assemble them one by one. Let's combine these two together first. Looks like it cannot be interchanged in position though. So now these can be secured using the supplied screws. So now this is secured with screws. Let's assemble it then with the armrest. These two also seems to be cannot be interchanged in positions, as it is only intended in one way. Now let's slide this in this way, and this looks okay to be installed inside the car. So now we're going to fix in this armrest on the mid part of the car under this cup holder slot. There you go, fits very well with ease. The handbrake seems to be hard to use while this armrest is fixed, but you can slide this back up to make more way for your hand. Now let's set up the USB slot for charging cell phones. You'll need this end to connect to the USB slot on the vehicle and insert on one slot on the armrest. And there you go, there is now power on the USB slots of the armrest, so you can use this now for charging. You can also place your cell phone on the compartment securely as well.